Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Trix. Today we're going to be doing another Rust video. Sorry that there haven't been videos for the past 2 days. I had some interviews. So yeah, I wasn't able to record and it was just hot. If I have an interview or it gets hot, I probably won't record that day. And when I start, and if I do get a job, I'll only do recordings on the weekends, just so that I can do something fun on the weekend. But that's the only reason why I didn't record on Thursday and Friday, because the weekend I'm gonna record anyway, just because I don't want to do nothing for the whole day. But yeah, today is gonna be another Rust video. We're gonna do 3 exercises today, and the 3 exercises are ISBN Verifier, Isogram, and Magazine Cutout. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so ISBN Verifier. ISBN 10 verification process is used to validate book identification numbers. These normally contain dashes and look like this. Task. Given a string, the program should check if the provided string is a valid ISBN 10. Putting this into place requires some thinking about pre-processing and parsing of the string prior to calculating the check digit for the ISBN. Program should be able to verify ISBN 10 both with and without separating dashes. Okay, so if we look at some solutions, this is just one solution I found. If I just copy paste this. Okay, so first we get the ISBN by removing any dashes and for underscores. So let me just remove this because ISBN is just the same. So all we're doing is replacing all of the dashes with a space for the ISBN, and we're storing that in clean ISBN. Then we're getting the length of the ISBN, and if it's not 10, then we know it's false, because ISBN 10 numbers own ISBN 10s have at least 10 digits. If it's not 10 digits, then you know it's not an ISBN number. Now we have an answer which is equal to 0. We iterate with an index and a character in the ISBN. That's why it's doing char indices, because we want the index and the actual character. So we check if the character is a number. If it is, we get that character, convert it to a digit, and times that digit by 10 minus its index, and store an answer. If I is 9, and the character is equal to an x, we add 10 to answer, otherwise we return false. So if the character isn't numeric at all and it's just letters and it's not an x, then we just return false. Otherwise we convert it to a digit and then times the index of that digit. We times 10 minus the index of that digit by the digit itself. Or if the digit is 9, if the index is 9 and the character is an x, we add 10 to the answer. And then afterwards, we modulus the answer by 11 and check if it's equal to 0. If the answer, after doing all of this, is a multiple of 11, then you know it's a valid ISBN number. If it's not modulus by 11, then you know it's an invalid ISBN number. Does it say anywhere where that should be modulus by 11? Maybe x, for instance, that generate valid ISBN number. I'm guessing this is just the logic that person realized works for all ISBN numbers. But this up here makes sense. Mark is complete. Confirm. Show me more exercises. Okay, so that was ISBN verification done. So I can close this, and this. Then we have isogram. Determine if a word or phrase is an isogram. An isogram, also known as a non-pattern word, is a word or phrase without a repeating letter. However, spaces and hyphens are allowed to appear multiple times. Examples of isograms: lumberjacks, background, downstream, 6-year-old. Okay, so isograms are literally just when a word or phrase only has individual letters that do not repeat. Okay, so solution. I wanted to do this one because it's very elegant. It also incorporates the hash set, which I can just grab. Hang on. Okay, so All this is doing is creating a mutable variable named set, which is just creating a hash set, right? Then you get a candidate, which is just a string. You convert it to lowercase characters. You convert it to a character array. Then you filter for each character to check if it's alphabetical. If it is, you collect all of those characters and insert and use the set. You use the set that you created before to insert each character into that set, right? So sets work by allowing you to only store unique elements in that set. You cannot have repeating elements in a set. So if you have like a number and you break up that number into all of its digits, if you put that number into a set, you'll only store the unique digits of that number. So this will work the exact same way. So I'm assuming so when it does all insert into this set, it will check if any of the characters are unique. If all of the characters are unique, it will just return true. Otherwise, if it tries to insert into the set and it sees that it's already inside the set, it will return an error. This won't execute properly and it will return false immediately, I believe. Are any of the tests isogram? String should be an isogram yet. Isogram 11 has more than one E, therefore it is not isogram. Okay. Yeah, so I'm right. The logic is there. I'm not able to implement it myself. And then the last one, magazine cutout. And this is the logic for that, which I can try to explain. Does it have a hash map there already? Yep. Okay, so let me just grab this. Okay, so let me try to explain this. If I can't explain it, then we're not submitting it. Okay, you create a hash map and you store it in a mutable variable called magazine map. Then for each variable in magazine, because magazine is just a array of strings, so each string in the array of magazine, you want to create a mutable counter which inserts the string into the hash map and increments the counter. Then you create a similar hash map called note map, where you iterate through each note similarly to the magazine and do the same thing. You create a counter to iterate, to insert the entry into the note map and then increment counter. Then you create a comparison variable which is boolean, which is false by default. Then you iterate through the note map and retrieve the keys, which are just the actual string in the note, and you check if the magazine contains that string. If it does not, you check if it doesn't contain the string. If it doesn't, you change compare to false, and then you break out of this for loop. If magmap.get I, so when you try to, if you retrieve the string from, hang on. If you retrieve the string from magmap and it's less than notemap. Okay, so this is an index, right? It's not the actual string. Index. Okay, so it's just incrementing, it's implementing, hang on, it's inserting the index, not the string. So it's inserting the index, not the string, right? So if the, okay, so because it's a map, it has a key and a value. The key is a number, the value is the actual string. Okay, that's making sense to me now. The key is the value, the actual value is the key is the index, the value is the string. So here, I'm guessing it's checking if the length is of the string at the at that specific index in the magazine map is less than the length of the string at a specific index in the note map. If it is, the comparison is false, is set to false, and you break. Otherwise, you set the comparison to true, and you return CMP. What does this do? Okay, but what's the task? Oh, okay. So basically, you're just checking if all of the words in the magazine, if you're checking if the note contains the words in the magazine. If it doesn't contain the words in the magazine, then, like in this scenario here, 2 times 3 is not 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So, yeah, so this will return false because 2 is here twice and it doesn't contain 3. If it contained 2 times 3 is 4 or something, it will return true even though you know 2 times 3 is not 4. So in this situation here, astronomer Amy Mazner spent hours chatting with Leonardo DiCaprio for Netflix's Don't Look Up. Here, Amy Mazner chatting with Leonardo DiCaprio. These words are all contained inside of the magazine. It's just you've cut it down, right? So it doesn't care about context or if it's actually correct. It just cares about are those words present inside of the magazine. So this just checks for if those words are present, if the word in the note is present in the magazine and it appears at least once. And it appears the same amount of times as it does in the magazine. That's why this one fails, because 2 isn't present here twice. Oh, that makes so much sense. So all of the words of the note have to be present in the magazine. If it's not present, then it doesn't count. Cool. And yeah, that's it for this video. We done ISBN Verifier, Isogram, and magazine cutout. Magazine cutout isn't like up here because I started magazine cutout like a long time ago. Hang on, yeah, I did start it a long time ago. So we don't have that many left. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. We only have 58 exercises left, so that should be around, if I divide that by 3, that's 2 carry the, wait, that's 1 carry the 2, 28 divided by 3 is 0, 28, not possible, 27, 19, so it should be 19/20 videos. But yeah, I might just stop as soon as I complete all of the stuff in syllabus, because entry API I finished. It's just external crates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I only have 11. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I only have 12 exercises left. I know that some of them like are repeated, but considering I only have 12 exercises left, I'm not gonna like specifically do one exercise just because it says, oh, it's part of the learning path. I'm just gonna go alphabetically and in order of where it is here. So the next one I'm gonna do is, I don't think I can do arithmetics right now because it's like very complicated and just very long. But .dsl I'm probably not gonna do right now. Fourth, I'm not sure, but I think next time We can do Minesweeper, nucleide count, and then Passio. Yeah, it'll probably be Minesweeper, nucleotide count, and then Passio. So tomorrow I might do that. And if you're watching this video, I'm gonna probably be live streaming today, where hang on, let me just switch the angle. Today I'm going to be live streaming me completing an interview exercise. I'm not gonna like show the actual interview questions. I will show the code, and I'll show my browser, like me actually working through it. It's just I won't be showing my face cam because it's going to be a Flutter application, and I use my phone as my emulator, because the actual emulator for Flutter runs, like the actual Android emulator runs very slow on my laptop, so I'm going to be using my phone, so there won't be a face cam. And yeah, I'll have chat up in this bottom right corner of the video, so that you guys can like talk to me in that. And I believe on the in-game side, I don't know if the chat will pop up, but I will still have chat open on the window that I'm working on. So you guys will see me coding, you'll see the browsers I'm using, and that's it. You guys won't see chat, you won't see my face, but I will still be interacting with you guys. So hopefully you enjoy that. I'm planning to stream around 4 o'clock probably. It just depends on how the day goes. It'll probably be around 4 or 5 o'clock today, and I'm hoping to finish coding it by the end of the day. If not, I'll continue the stream tomorrow as well, because it's due, it says due in 5 days, and I think that 2 days have passed because I got the coding interview on Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I need to finish it by Monday and send it in. But I'll definitely do that live on camera so that you guys can watch. I won't share the actual like interview questions. I'll just like walk through how to do it. And because you guys won't be seeing what's up, I'm not going to share like my phone screen, so you'll just be seeing the code. Just because they have like their own UI, and I don't want to like leak that out. But you guys will definitely see the code, and you'll see like me building it, and you'll see like how I'm doing it. But yeah, if you guys want to join the stream, you want to keep me company, please join the stream later on today. I'll also like be on Discord, so if any of the mandem that I hang out with wanna like jump in Discord and scare the shit out of me and that, I'll join VC so that you guys can chat to me and like keep me company. But yeah, other than that, yeah, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you dislike the video, please leave a dislike on the video, and comment down below ways that you'd like me to improve content on the channel to make your viewing experience better. But other than that, check out the links in the description if you want to support me anyway, or check out any of my other content. I've got Twitter, Mastodon, Patreon, I got merch, tips, what else I got crypto links. I got an Odyssey channel if you want to download my videos, or if you want to sponsor me that way, because on Odyssey you can donate crypto to me like through the website. What else have I got? Can't think of anything else. But yeah, check out my links in the description, subscribe to the channel, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace!